Oh, fuck me, that's done. I gotta call it a day on this shit, man. This little bubbler from Newton is my current favorite. This is the Deco, but it's a fantastic little bubbler. It's great for either smoking or vaporizing. On top here, we have a place where you put your bowl to smoke it, but this bowl lifts off, and we don't even need that at Planet of the Vapes, because underneath we have a 14mm gong joint, which makes this perfect for all of our vapes and our water pipe adapters. You can put any portable you want on here like this, and look, it sits flat and stable. It's real small, it's easy to carry and run around with. I absolutely love it. The water never gets in my mouth. This long mouthpiece is perfect, and I don't know how they do it in the design, but I just don't get water in my mouth. It stays in there where you want it. And the perc only has a few slits, so it's really gonna lean on the more flavorful side. So far, I literally have found nothing that I don't like about this vape. I think it's fantastic. It's perfect for a first-time bubbler, anybody who just wants a small bubbler to travel around with or even take on the road with you. The only people I wouldn't recommend it to are those that are looking for one of those big raging bubblers like we all had in college. Now, that's a different experience and a great experience, but not this one. So at the end of the day, I love this little thing. I use it all over the house with my portables, but I even found that I was using it at my desk with my plug-in vaporizers, where I usually use those big bubblers. I've been using this one instead. I think it's a safe buy, and you're gonna love this thing.